Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make hard shell tacos. What you'll be needing will be a pound of ground beef, a box of the taco shells, a can of the diced green chilies, a can of the hot tomato sauce, an onion, tomato, and then your fixings for your tacos will be like cheese, lettuce, and then tomatoes. Okay, let's get started. Alright, I got the pan already heated up. I'm going to go ahead and add the ground beef. Add some seasoned salt to it. Go ahead and break it up. Go ahead and chop my onion to add the onion. I'm gonna do about maybe half the onion. Just go ahead and mix it up. While that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and turn my oven on to about 300 degrees. I'm going to place the taco shells in the oven for about 7 minutes so they could get a little toasty. You want to go ahead and spread it out like this on a dish to put it in the oven for about 7 minutes, just until they're a little brown. But I'm going to wait until the oven's preheated. Go ahead and peel the potato.
Slice it down the middle. Chop it up in little cubes. Add the meat.
Trying to mix it all together. Alright, we'll go ahead and cover it up and let it cook a little bit. We'll go ahead and get started on the toppings for the tacos. check on the meat. The meat's almost done, but not the potatoes. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take some of the oil out. Let's use it on clean napkins. Add the green chilies. All right, when the potatoes are almost done, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the hot tomato sauce. I'm gonna let that simmer for a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the taco shells in the oven. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna check on the meat. All right, looks already cooked. The meat's cooked. The potatoes are done. Go ahead and add the canned tomato sauce. Just mix that up. All right, and I got my taco shells out of the oven. They're already nice and toasty. Go ahead and fill it up. Add the toppings. And then there you go. Hard shell tacos. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.